Hello, let me show you how to weld digital wellness backup camera system. First, open the package and take out all items. Include a backup camera, a wellness monitor, a wellness transmitter, a secret lighter adapter, a part code and instructions, an extra suction cup mount. Hook the antenna to transmitter. Connecting the backup camera to transmitter. Video to video, DC to DC. Plug the power cord to DC connector of transmitter. You can remove the pedestal and hook down suction cup mount. And hooking the monitor on windshield. Plug the secret lighter adapter to DC connector of monitor. The adapter with a red on-off switch. Plug the adapter to secret lighter. And turn on the switch. The monitor lights up few seconds, indicate getting power. Then the monitor keeps black screen till the video signals come in. Connecting the backup camera transmitter to reverse lights for reverse use. Connecting backup camera transmitter to running lights or other DC battery for continuous use. Then the monitor display pictures automatically. The backup camera can be adjusted downward angles by loose and switch the screws. There is an intelligent switch for multi-functions use. Important notice. Quick presses 1 time, guidelines on off. Quick presses 2 times, image overturn mode. Quick presses 3 times, image format NTSC-PAL. Quick presses 4 times, guidelines width adjust mode. Quick presses 5 times, guideline up down moving mode. Quick presses 6 times, stop warning on off. Quick presses 7 times, figure on guideline on off. Quick press 8 times, guideline inclination adjustment mode. Quick presses 9 times, image left move, fine tuning mode. Press down and hold 3 seconds, reset mode. If lose signals and don't come back, how to pairing? First, restart the monitor and the transmitter would flicker blue lights auto. When you see the current screen no signals, click button A. Then you will see current screen. Then click button B and bring the copper wire of red wire to touch the yellow RCA video connector. Then the pairing finished and the signals come back. How to attach the transmitter on the vehicle. There are 3 helpful parts: 2 screws, 2 3M stickers, and 2 magic ties for choice. Below video is the demonstration.